Hi friends, I know that many of you are frustrated with today's draw and I'm equally disappointed. I was hoping for a all program draw. Now many of you might even have a thought that is this the trend going forward, that only the provincial nominee program as well as the Canadian experience class will only get invited. So before we get into any conclusion, like always, let's look into the data because data don't lie, and then we will analyze how long this trend can continue and how it impacts people like you who don't have a nomination from any province or don't have this Canadian experience. And we will analyze and predict the future score and draw. So before that, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press the like button as well as subscribe, as I post at least 2 videos per week. And I also share my experience here in Canada as a new permanent resident. So I hope by now you have subscribed. If you have not, please go ahead and subscribe. Without wasting much time, let's get into the today's draw. So today's draw was draw number 173, which was specific to provincial nominee class. Today's date is January 20, 2021, and number of invitation issued is 374. 374 candidates have been invited. The rank required for this invitation is it has to be 374th or above. Date and time of the round, January 20, 2021, which you can see on the screen. And the CRS score of the lowest rank candidate invited is 741. Now, whenever there is a provincial nominee, you get additional point. The province gives you additional point, and that takes your score beyond 600 point, and that's why we see this score of 741. Now, if you look at the tie-breaking rule, anyone who had entered before September 5th, 2020 by the set time, they would be getting the invitation to apply. So for those of you who made it in today's draw, congratulations to you. And for those of you who are waiting to still get your ITA, let's go and look at how this CRS score distribution looks like. So as on January 18, 2020, if you look at this CRS score range, okay, you can see on the screen. Now this is how the distribution looks. So for your ease, I have made this template which you can see on the screen now. And if you look at this table, what I have done is I have kept the previous CRS score distribution also, so that you get to see whether there has been an increase in number of candidates getting into respective CRS score range or it has reduced. So if you look at score between 601 to 1200, 295 candidate, which is an increase. Earlier it was 183, now 295 candidates were there in this pool. Between 501 to 600, 273 candidates were there. Now if you see, 457 candidates are sitting as on January 18. Similarly, 491 to 500, there is an increase and now it is at 321. And between 481 to 490, the increase is to 806. So one natural question which you will have is that, Gopi, the invitation issued is 374. However, if we look at this table, between 601 to 1200, there are only 295 candidates. So how this mismatch? Well, if I have to put a logic to this, the provincial nominee also happens through paper based. So the number of candidates who are invited, if they are 374 in number, some of them would have been through this paper based provincial nominee program also. There you have skilled worker category as well as skilled trade category, and that's how they would have been picked. So considering that some of them were there on paper based, and then if you look at this table, 295 were there, and not all 295 would have been there before the cutoff date which is given for the September 5th, 2020. So for today, let's assume that between this 601 to 1200 range, all 295 gets the invitation. That takes care of the CRS cutoff which is given for today. After this, if we look at the score range between 471 to 501, okay, and if we total all of that, there are 3,584 candidates. Now you all know that typically whenever there is a all program draw, we will see a future trend also that about 5,000 candidates will get invited. which means that these people who are in this range above 471, they will make it clear. It's just about one draw. And remaining, if you look at this range between 461 to 470, earlier, as on January 4th, the number was at 10,664, which has reduced to 8,355. Now, there are reasons like people's age would have changed, because of which the score has changed. They would have been in profile for 1 year, and automatically after 1 year, they either have to come and reapply, or they would have left. These kind of changes would have made this number change. And what is interesting is, if you look at this number, it has reduced, and that is the only possible. I'm sorry to say that if you're in a range between 451 to 460, it is very difficult to get a ITA. Right now, I will not even imagine that the ITA would come unless some miracle happen. Now, for the range between 461 to 470. So, if you are in a range between 468, 469, 470, I would give you a very high chance of getting the ITA. If you are in 470, it's almost like you will get it. Now, coming to the question like the trend of provincial nominee as well as the Canadian experience class. Now, friends, you will have to remember that Canada's GDP highly rely on two things. One is the housing market, and this housing market is also mainly fueled by the immigrant. Now, if you look at the number of immigrants, what is required and what is planned over a year versus how many are getting invited right now, the reasons could be many, like the COVID has been impacting lot many logistical issues, and in-house the Canadian government might be thinking that what happens if the newcomer comes, he has to find job, and job losses are real. So these concerns might be there, but knowing that the Canada's economy and the GDP is heavily dependent on this housing market as well as the immigration, you will have to get people from outside. There is no way that the number can be got through this in-house talent like Canadian experience class. And how many draws of provincial nominee program will get them the numbers? You see, these numbers are in few hundreds. So unless it goes into those 5,000 invites per draw, this will not be able to match with the plan. So I'm hopeful that things are going to be back on track again, and many of you would start receiving your invitation to apply. And whenever that happens, do let me know. I will give you a shout out. I feel happy when someone gets an ITA. So this is my analysis for today. I hope you like the video. Please do press the like button, and if you have any comment or question, do use the comment section and ask that question, and share with your friends who have been thinking about Canada and they have a doubt how the future CRS score going to be. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.